Okay, seriously. Netflix recommends their stuff, obviously. But the best Android TV boxes? The ones that fly under the radar? The ones that won't, choke on 4K or feel ancient in a year? Yeah, they're not going to tell you about those. Hi, I'm James, and we actually test this stuff on the channel. No fluff. So look, I've been there. Bought the cheap box, spent more time staring at buffering wheels than actual shows. Yeah, annoying. Then the other one, super expensive, felt like overkill. Like, I just want to watch stuff smoothly, maybe sideload an app or two, Didn't need a supercomputer. All the product link in the description. I have Amazon and AliExpress $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit promowealth.com. So grab a snack. Or like your cat. Let's go. Number 1. NVIDIA Shield Android TV. Best Android TV box overall. Alright, so I've been using the Shield for, like 6 months now? And I gotta say, this little box is a beast. First time I plugged it in, it updated super quick. Then I opened Netflix and boom, 4K HDR. No lag, no buffering, not even that awkward sound delay. I even ran like 5 apps at once. YouTube, Plex, Steam Link. Didn't flinch. And gaming. Bro, GeForce Now is no joke. I was playing Cyberpunk on my TV from the cloud. Like, how is that even real? Key features. So, yeah, some standout stuff. Built-in Google Assistant. Just say what you want to watch. Dolby Vision and Atmos, like theater vibes at home. That AI upscaling? Wild. It makes old content look kind of new again. Remote's got backlight and a lost remote finder. Like, I lose mine all the time, so that's a win. Pros. Super fast, like never once froze on me. Looks slick, doesn't scream tech box on our shelf. Works with literally every streaming service, no weird blocks. Gaming ready, if you're into that. Cons, small, but real. Okay, real talk, it's not cheap. Like, yeah, it costs more than your average TV box. But honestly, you get what you pay for. The storage isn't huge, but you can expand it with USB or external drives, so not a deal breaker. Who it's for. So who should get this? If you're someone who watches a lot of stuff, movies, shows, sports, or if you're into cloud gaming, Plex, or even smart home stuff, this box is totally worth it. If you're just watching YouTube on a small screen in the kitchen, probably overkill. So yeah, the NVIDIA Shield Android TV, honestly, it's like the Rolls-Royce of Android TV boxes. Fast, powerful, future-proof. It just works. Every time. It's not the cheapest, but if you're serious about quality, this is it. Number 2. Xiaomi TV Box S, 2nd Gen, Best Value Android TV Box. First impressions. So here's the wild part. This thing is cheap, but the box says 4K, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos. That's premium stuff. Plus, it runs the new Google TV interface, which is super smart. On paper, it's a giant killer. Real-world experience. But does it work? Yeah, actually. I plugged it into a TV with terrible built-in apps, and the setup was like 5 minutes. Threw on a 4K movie, and it looked amazing. The colors with Dolby Vision just pop. It's not as lightning fast as the super expensive boxes, but when you press play, it looks great, and that's what matters. Pros and cons. All right, quick pros and cons. Pros, the value. I mean, you get 4K and Dolby for a budget price. That's just awesome. The Google TV interface is also really clean. Cons, the storage space. It's only 8 gigs, so you can't download a ton of apps or games. It's a streamer, not a gaming console. Who it's for. So who should buy this? Honestly, almost anyone with a 4K TV who's tired of slow, clunky, built-in apps. It's a huge upgrade for not a lot of money. Perfect for a bedroom or a second TV. It just works. Final verdict. So my final verdict is the Xiaomi TV Box S, 2nd Gen, the best value Android TV box. Yeah, 100%. It's not the most powerful box, but that's not the point. You get premium features for a price that's kind of unbeatable. It's a really, really smart buy. Number 3. Bearway Android 11.0 TV Box. Best Smart TV Box. So I set this thing up in like 5 minutes. First night, I just wanted to watch 1 episode of something. Ended up watching 4. No buffering, no freezing, just smooth playback. I was like, okay then. Key features. Android 11.0. Pretty clean UI. 4K support looks sharp. Built-in voice control. Comes with a backlit keyboard remote, super handy. Pros, easy setup, fast and smooth. Keyboard remote is underrated. Price is real good for what it does. Cons, UI looks kind of basic. Some bloatware to clear out. Not for gaming, like don't expect PS5 vibes here. Who it's for? Great for casual streamers, second TVs, or anyone on a budget. Not for hardcore gamers or people who want to run crazy stuff like Plex servers. So yeah, Bearway Android 11.0 TV box. Honestly, it's one of the best smart TV boxes I've used at this price. It does what it's supposed to do, and it does it well. Links below if you want to check it out.
Number 4. NVIDIA Shield Android TV Pro. Best all-around Android TV box. So I hooked this thing up in my living room main TV spot. I was a little nervous, not gonna lie. Price tag's up there. But yo, first night, I ran Netflix, Plex, Steam Link, and YouTube back to back. Not even a hiccup. No buffering, no crashing, just buttery smooth. Even upscaled some old 1080p stuff, and I was like, wait, was this always in 4K? Key features. Runs Android TV, super clean. AI upscaling? Yeah, it actually works. Works with 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, Atmos. Comes with voice remote, backlit buttons. Has built-in Plex server and GeForce Now. Huge bonus if you game. Pros? Crazy fast, like zero lag. Gaming support is next level. Looks premium, feels premium. Updates regularly. NVIDIA takes care of it. Cons? Price is steep, not gonna lie. Internal storage is kind of limited if you download a ton. The remote's fine, but feels a bit too light for the price. Who it's for? If you stream a lot, game casually, or want something powerful and future-proof, this is it. But if you just want to watch cat videos in 720p, yeah, this is probably overkill. Number 5. TiVo Stream 4K. Best budget Android TV box. So what's the deal? It's all about the remote and the software. The remote is chunky, feels good, and has a number pad. The software tries to pull all your streaming services into one guide so you can search for a movie just once. It's a neat idea. Real-world experience? I plugged it in and that universal search actually works. It showed me a movie was on 2 different apps I use, which saved me some clicking. The 4K picture is solid. It's not the fastest when you're clicking around the menus, but once you press play, it's totally fine. Pros and cons. Okay, pros and cons. Pros, that unified search is genuinely useful. The remote feels way better than other cheap ones, and it's full Android TV for a good price. Cons, it can be a little slow in the menus, and the TiVo interface, while cool, can feel a bit crowded. Who it's for? So who's this for? If you want your streaming to feel more organized and you like a more traditional remote, this is a great pickup. It's for people who want a bit more than the basics, but on a tight budget. Final verdict. My final verdict. Is it the best budget Android TV box? It's a really strong contender. It's not the fastest, but that smart search feature makes it stand out. For the price, you get a lot of clever tech. It's a really solid choice. So yeah, the TiVo Stream 4K, a cool little surprise. Links below. Let me know what you think.
See ya.